Okay, so you said that the definition of piecework is your pay is based on how much of a product you produce. This can happen in a factory where you're doing like a whole bunch of things that are counting up and adding up to big numbers. Or it could be something that you're doing at home where you have a 3D printing business and you are printing out specialized something that helps people, that people are willing to buy online. And you can make $100 per each, so you have to really think about how many you're selling. We're going to try this on Piecework. Called Piecework, by the way, because you get paid for as many pieces as you make. Anybody know somebody who gets paid on a piecework basis by what they produce? Anybody know anybody who sells stuff on like Etsy or works in a factory? Okay. So let's start on this side. Start with a simple one. So this person is paid $8.70 for each homemade cake she makes. Or at least I'm assuming that's her profit. So how do I figure out how much she gets paid for the job? Multiply. So 5 times 870. Everybody should be doing this. So for this job where she's making cakes for a party or whatever, she made $43.50 profit. I assume it has to be profit. There's no way your cake costs $8.70. Okay. Next I want to jump down to 19. So go down to 19 with me now instead of typing out other math problems. Becky is paid $2.25 per shirt. She averages 5 shirts per hour. What is her average pay for a 35-hour week? What should I do for that one?
225 times 5.
Right. So 225 times 5. So she's making $11.25 an hour, usually. And then if we multiply that by 35, we figure out that her weekly pay is about $393.75. How you guys feeling about this so far? Fine? All right, backside. I want to try 25. Roberto earns $35 per illustration. It takes him about an hour and a half to complete each illustration. How many illustrations must he complete to earn $5.25? Okay, how do I figure that out first? Divide what? Per illustration, yep. So $5.25, everybody, divided by 35. You should be doing on your calculator. Should have gotten that he needs to make 15 illustrations. And then how much time will that take him? How do I put 1.5 in my calculator? 1.5 times 15, 22.5 hours. Okay. Feel like this is pretty straightforward today? Okay, you can go ahead and get to work. When you're done, you can come show me this, come show me the homework from yesterday. Tomorrow we'll talk about commission.